The following program is available in described video.
Previously on Claws.
I would like to bequeath the remainder of my fortune to Polly Marks.
So let's have a baby together.
Bella, you remember EJ? You guys can stay with Black Daddy.
Okay. Filthy, betraying bitch. Get the hell out!
I think George has been stealing our pills and selling them.
You know, loyalty doesn't just mean bringing me a problem. You brought that little bitch in here, and you got to see her out. Do you know what your problem is?
Well, you gonna tell me?
You will never succeed, Jennifer, being soft. You want to be everybody's friend? You want to be a gangster?
We've had our eye on Desna Sims and Clay Hustle for quite a while now.
You have to promise me immunity and witness protection.
100%.
So let's do this.
Hey, Tony.
I'm sorry.